Hello and namaste everyone guys. So behalf of this February month, let's see a general guidance for now, and yes, I will be getting readings with respect to your career, your materialistic life, your love life, your health reading. So wait and watch. Till then, let's do a general guidance for the month of February. Let's see what comes up. So yeah, this is the first message over here. King of Swords. So for the general guidance here, universe is trying to tell you that guys, you need to be logical, you need to be practical. Don't just sit and keep on dreaming on something, or just we say just going with the flow with emotions and all. No, you need to be practical and logical. If you really wish to do something, if you really wish to try something new or create something new, then take action, do planning and everything. Take start start taking baby steps. This is what I would say. Don't just sit and keep on wondering, I will do this, I will do that, but how to do? Have you planned it? Have you noted it down? Have you jotted it down? And accordingly start taking action. You can see the sword over here. It is so strong and firm. So this is how you have to be, and you have to start working on whatever you're planning to do, or your plans are towards your goals. Another message is, see, only after that there will be a new beginning for you. You will get clarity, you will get an idea, you will understand, you will get various ideas like what you can do now, what next steps you can do further, or whose help you can take, and everything. Only then it is possible. But for that you need to take action. Don't just sit and keep pondering. Yes, Princess of Cups, something emotionally related to your emotions also. You will get some sort of, satisfaction that yes, you tried something, you got a new idea, you got a new opportunity, or something else. Maybe someone may come with you and do a partnership or something, so which will be very much, emotionally satisfying. But this is just a small beginning. This is what I would say. So just do not get overwhelmed with this card, okay? Yes, you need to team up and do collaboration if possible. And if this is with respect to your workplace, then I would say that you need to team up and do, if you somewhere your views and your colleagues views are not somewhere same or equal, you need to understand like why it is so hard, exactly what they are trying to tell, explain. Don't just listen to them just to give them an answer or something. Try to understand why it is so. So yes, you need to team up, you need to collaborate. Now this can be with respect to some new opportunities or businesses that you are trying to do or something. That alone, you if you try to do something, that won't be successful. But you need to have some people with you who are there to support you, help you, give you new ideas. You can share it, and everything you will get a clarity about it. And also this is a card of initial wish fulfillment. So your small wishes, it will get fulfilled if you do as per as guided. Seeking of cups, you need to be very compassionate, you need to be very balanced with respect to your emotions at the same time. Okay, now this is with respect to overall life. Let me tell you one thing. Okay, so we say, yeah, like, you need to be very much passionate, compassionate with respect to people in best possible way. Do love them. Like, love is not only by sending flowers, sending some messages or something. No, you can help someone whom you are seeing is suffering a lot. You can help the poor, you can do charity work. This also helps you a lot. But you need to stay balanced at the same time. You do not have to become over emotional with respect to people, or with respect to certain people. Like, this is someone whom you literally owe a lot. No, that doesn't mean that you have to become over emotional. You have to have a balance with respect to each and everyone. This is what the card is saying. Yes, six of coins. Stay balanced. Do charity work. This is what I would say. Please do not treat people like according to your moods or something, or how you treat them, like you consider them as like someone is very higher at your in your view. Don't do like that, please don't do like that, treat everyone equally. This is what has been said with this card. And also try to have balance in your life with respect to money. See, only after that there will be a judgment done from universe, from the angels. This is what I see. Also, you are getting some sort of inner calling. Maybe you are ignoring it. Please do not ignore it. Do acknowledge it, and yes, do move forward with respect to that. See, some sort of accomplishment, completion of a cycle I see happening. But this will only happen when you follow certain things. Don't just think that this is everything is coming in the guidance, everything is coming in the cards, then why this is not turning into reality? That's because you're not following certain things. You also need to go within yourself. The judgment card also says the same thing, guys. This judgment card, guys, that you also need to go within yourself. Your inner voice is trying to tell you something. It is giving you a calling for some a specific thing. So do acknowledge it. Only then everything will come into reality. So this was the guidance, general guidance for the month of the February. I'll be coming with other guidances also. Till then, thank you.